One of the newer must-have items on a new parent's list is a baby food maker. But not all food processors are ideal for making baby food. So, you might consider checking out this best food processor for baby food. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Freshly cooked homemade food gives baby a healthy start. But cooking nutritious meals day after day used to be a real chore. Not anymore. Introducing Baby Brezza, the world's first baby food maker that not only blends, but also cooks fruits, vegetables, meat, and fish in one easy step. Making fresh homemade baby foods a breeze with Baby Brezza. Just add your ingredients and water, set the timer, then walk away. Don't be fooled by other machines that just blend. Baby Brezza is the only baby food maker with a patented drop-down blade that cooks and blends in one step, preserving all the nutrients and vitamins you want for your loved ones, even as they grow. You'll save hundreds of dollars over store-bought foods with Baby Brezza, the simple one-step way to make nutritious, homemade meals you and your children will love. Get the revolutionary Baby Brezza and give your baby a healthy start.
Buy now online or at these fine stores.
And these are editor rating for this product.